At that time, please check to ensure you have all your personal belongings and take care when opening the overhead compartments, as contents do tend to shift during flight. You are now free to enable cellular services on your mobile phones and small portable electronic devices. For your convenience, a United representative will be meeting the aircraft. On behalf of United, the Star Alliance Network, and most importantly your flight crew, we would like to thank you for traveling with us today. It has been our pleasure serving you. We hope that if your future plans call for air travel, you'll think of United and the Star Alliance again at that time. We hope you have a very pleasant stay here in the Chicagoland area, or wherever your final destination may take you. At the conclusion of your travel, some of you may receive a survey from United via the app or email. We just look for your honest opinion about how your travel plans went. And ladies and gentlemen, on this flight this morning, I do need your help. I have 18 people with very tight connections due to our delay. So when I read off your connection, please ring your call light. Dallas, Texas. Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Detroit, Michigan. Burlington, Vermont. San Francisco. Cleveland, Ohio. And Istanbul, Turkey. Ladies and gentlemen, for everybody else, I need you to remain seated. In order for these people to make their connections, they need to be the first ones off the airplane. 68 of you are terminating your travels here in Chicago. Please allow everybody with connections to get off the airplane first. It would be greatly appreciated. It's the holiday season. Let's get these passengers home to see their families. Everyone else just remain comfortably seated until they deplane, and then you're free to go as usual. Thank you very much for your cooperation.
Yeah, we were real late. We're just now landing.
Please raise your hand and ring your call light twice. Thank you.